Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, August the 25th. We've been having, this is going the second day now, we've been having off and on flash downpours of rain. And it's forecasted for the next 3 days of rain. And it seems to come in spurts. It'll downpour heavy duty river going down my driveway here, down the edges, for half an hour, 45 minutes, and then stop and be like this for a couple hours and then do it again. And it's just the way it is. And but like I say, they're calling for this to be like this now for the next 4 days. There's piggies over there, if you can see them over there. But we're going to feed Mr. 29 here this morning and see how he's doing. Are you hungry? Is that what you're crying for? Eh? Because I'm a little bit late this morning? Eh? Is it because I'm a little bit late this morning? Okay. He's doing a lot better, and you see he's pretty much drinking solely on his own. If in any condition like it was last night and yesterday morning, he'll drink only for a little while and then he'll want something to suck on. But I give him time to deal with it. I don't just jump in there and give it to him. Because he's doing okay on his own, but he's getting a little bit stubborn where he won't finish the last little bit. Or actually, he'll drink about a half a gallon on his own, which he's done already. About a third of a gallon he's drank here already in the short time I gave it to him. You see, it just takes a few days, and he would have been a lot quicker if he wasn't sick. He seems to be cleared up good now. It took quite a few treatments of the calf light too before he got a little solider. And I got a pail of free choice chopped there in that white pail there for him. And some clover, which I'm not sure if he's touched it or not yet. But I did force a little bit of chop into his mouth last night to get the taste of it. But because he was sick, he took probably a day longer. And he's still not finishing totally on his own as of last night anyway. And that's only because he was sick. And that'll play a role. That'll play a role on how long it takes to teach them. But like I say, once they start drinking on their own, don't go back giving them a finger to suck on unless you absolutely have to, that they have not drank enough. Because otherwise you're going backwards. Last night I had to go in and give him a finger to suck on, but he seems to have drank almost the whole pail. I can see the bottom of the pail from the 4 liters that I gave him. I can see the bottom of the edge of one side of the pail there. You can see there on the left hand side. That's why I use a galvanized wash bucket on wheels so that they can't knock it over. It's good and solid, and if they step around it, it's on wheels so it can sort of roll, not just fall over. See, it was 4 liters in there, and you see the one side of the pail at the bottom there. And if that's all he'll drink, that's all he'll drink. But I'll leave it in here for him for the better part of the morning here. And he'll just, since he's drank that much now, there's no way I'm going to give him the finger to suck on. There's no way. Because he's drank well over 3 liters out of the 4. So he will not get my finger to suck on. Because he's drank, as far as I'm concerned, he's drank enough that if he doesn't drink anymore, he's had enough. And like I say, I'll leave the pail in here. If he doesn't drink at all, I'll leave it in here for the remainder of the morning, and he'll go back and forth and finish it up. But never ever, once they start drinking on their own and they get a good portion, even if you only got 2.5 liters out of the 4, that's good enough. And it's been 14 hours since his last feeding. I let them go a little bit hungry, like I said, for a couple more hours. You know, should be fed every 12 hours till I go 14 when they're young like this, so that they're good and hungry, and they catch on fast. And I don't give them any more than 4 liters. If they want more, they got the free choice chop over there, and clover. That if he's still hungry, they'll start sniffing around and licking that. And he's had a taste of it yesterday because I forced a handful in his mouth, so he knows what it tastes like. And he chewed it all up good in his mouth. And like I say, if he wasn't sick, he would have got that chop already second day I had him, but I didn't, because he was sick. I didn't want to upset the ruin him any more than it already was. Yeah, so we'll leave him be there. And the piggies are screaming over here for their food. Hey, piggies. Piggies. We'll go over here and get their food. I'm out of hog grower today, so they're going to get what I feed the cattle. And it's chopped corn and chopped barley, because I am totally out of hog grower today. And there's no funds available till I get my pension check on the 28th. So they will get what I have. As my pension check doesn't come in until the 28th. Hey, piggies. 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 So they won't cross this wire right here. So I have this wire going across here. They won't cross that wire. They'll go around, but they will not cross that wire. Oh, how do I do this with one hand? Oh. And it don't matter, I spilt it on the ground because I'll eat it all up. Usually I don't miss that bad, but because I was trying to do it one-handed. But they'll clean it all off the ground. They'll have that bucket empty in a half an hour. And they'll clean everything off the ground. You can hear my electric fence here shorting out from the rain here. Because as I say, the fence is only 10 to 12 inches off the ground, and there's some grass that's touching the blades. And some insulators will arc even from the wetness on the poles. Now I'll go back and I'll go back to the calf there in number 29 and just sort of rub his back down a little bit and give him the attention a little bit. Hey, big guy. Hey. Hey, big guy. Hey. Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? You just pretend like mommy and just give him some attention and a little like mom, as if mommy's licking him. Yeah. Just give him a little lick like mommy's licking him. Yeah. See, he drank the whole thing by himself. Just a little tiny bit in there. He's really spunky. He's going to sniff the clover there. Yeah. And that's it. I'll leave that in for him, and I shall push it in there a little bit further. And he might finish it off, he might not. But I won't leave it out there for more than a few hours because it will go sour, but it's only like 51 degrees out right now. It was like 43 at 5 o'clock when I got up. Yeah. Okay. There you go. There we are, broadcasting to you from Kaministiquia, Ontario on a cool, overcast, off and on rainy day, Saturday, from this quiet God's country. All you can hear is the birds chirping. And the animals making their noises. Okay, have a great day, people. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Please share,